Alright, so change the solid tyre. Don't drop the drill. But basically you want to take off the 2 nuts, 2 washers. There's also a washer on the motor cable side, just a standard round one. That looks like that one. And that goes on the inside. And then there's a grub screw. Well, there's a screw that goes through there into there. And once you get the motor out, we shall use batteries as a phone holder. Does that look good? Yeah. So if you want the drum brake side, take these screws out. It's a 4mm Allen key. Once again, these are by far the best bits. Put them in your parts container, or I will come to your house and stab you in game. The easiest way to do it, I find, there's 2 flatheads that are medium size. On each side. You want to get underneath the rim. Ugh. That's a shit. Try this one. Boom. That's off. Then that's a healthy motor, it's not burnt, it's all good. Now the wheels you want to use, the best wheels are Risingsun. So this brand, Risingsun. I've tried brands J-Mate, Aoxin, AOXIN, like 2 other brands. They didn't even last me a single ride, and they just collapse on themselves. So find out which way your tread is. So that's forwards, drum brakes to the right. So we just took the drum brake off, so that will be forwards. Okay. Now I've got to transfer over to this one. Hopefully I can do this pretty easily. So I like to use the vise. And you can use any sort of metal thing.
2015. Thank you, Lizzie. This is Weekend Lunch here at Triple J. That was a live music montage for you. We heard a bit from Disclosure, More Rats, the Jungle Giants, the Hilltop Goods. How are you? I was just thinking there's another Shrek movie coming out. There's Shrek 5. And it made me think of the other movie. The last one was like one with like Rumpelstiltskin or something, and they go back in time, and like Fiona's like, they change the course of time, whatever. They go to an alternate reality where like Fiona's like running this ogre army. I'm not sure if anyone remembers this movie. It was kind of a flop. It wasn't as good as number 1 and number 2. I will say that. And even 3 was pretty good, but yeah, 1 and 2 perfect. But I just remember going to the movies to see that Shrek 4 movie, and my parents crying at that movie. Isn't that funny? I was really laughing over you them crying at Shrek 4 when they took us to see it. I can't remember what about it was sad, but I was really looking over and my parents are tearing up at Shrek 4. Fair enough, for sure. A lot of sequels coming out. I mean, another versions of the movie. Yeah, Shrek being one of them. Shrek 5 on the way. I'm excited. Hey, right now, confidence man, I can't lose you. Triple J. Let me know if you're excited about Shrek 5.
Me, you kind of want to flick it on.
This is Triple J.
now it's pretty much slicked on all the way around.
Hey, we're vacations, and we just got it. We Hustley's never gonna give you up. Triple J's like a version.
We can now get the drum
It was almost the case of
on the side,
we thought about it,
and then
so I think we tried to not overcook it.
you can line the holes up now or
A cover that was
do it later.
very but I feel like we just
Once you get this on,
song and did it our
it's all
own
pretty
way.
good.
It's just different enough that it makes sense for us to pay us homage to the pop song.
Yeah, now here's where we pop this off again, which is now seated on this side correctly. Pop this off again, or you can get a screwdriver and a hammer and tap it until the holes line up. I just use 2 Allen keys. So right there. Put that in. Put this one in. And then we can now put it back in the vise.
DJ right there from Royal Otis, Frank with you. This is weekend lunch here on Triple J. I've got a window in the studio today, which is awesome. There was a bit of a tech shoot across the country yesterday. I got a call when I was at the pub on the Friday, and it said, hey, there's a big tech company night. Your show might be cancelled tomorrow. And I thought, oh no, I ordered a few more beers. And then I got a call a couple hours later saying it's back on.
Now you can
Thanks for
see that
being here with you in the studio.
those holes are
playing
lined
some
up.
Music, but I did go a little bit hard. But I did win a fan of Paul.
You just want to do them more loosely.
You know, haven't played
At the
Paul in a
start.
long time. And it was, I felt very cool about it. It was very rock and roll. You should have been there, okay? Last sport coming up very soon. Right now we got Betty Ray's with Hold On.
Put these back straight away. pretty good. Sweet. That's how you do it.